How to add transitions to audio in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page. This is where you can see your timeline and all the video and audio tracks clearly. Make sure your audio clips are properly placed on the timeline before moving forward. Next, zoom in on the screen where two audio clips meet. You can do this by using the zoom slider below the timeline. The more precise your view, the easier it will be to place your transition exactly where you want it. Now, select the effects library from the top left corner and click on audio transitions. You will see several options, but the default one is called Crossfade 0 dB. This is the most commonly used transition for smoothing audio cuts. Click and drag the crossfade transition to the point where the two audio clips meet. If the clips are touching, the transition will apply automatically. If there's a gap, you will need to trim the clips so they are close enough to apply the transition. Once added, you can click on the transition itself in the timeline to adjust its duration. You can make it longer or shorter depending on how smooth you want the fade to be. Also make sure the volume levels are balanced between the two clips. You can use the inspector panel to tweak volume settings for each clip to ensure a natural flow. Lastly, play back that section of the timeline to hear how the transition sounds. If needed, you can make a small adjustment to both the transition length and the volume to get it just right. And that's it. Now you know how to add transitions to audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.